Hola amigos!
Today we're gonna be cooking again. If you thought last time's chocolate Swiss roll was hard, today we're gonna be making something much easier. Churros! Let's get to it!
What is this, buddy?
You never know what we're gonna do next. Ingredients. So we're gonna be pouring the milk in.
Okay.
The sugar and the butter. And we're going to be cooking it until it boils, all of it boils up. And until the sugar dissolves. Now that the butter, the milk, and the sugar have all mixed together, we are going to put all the flour in.
Now it's combining together. And now looks like we eat food. Kind of looks like oatmeal.
It's getting good.
So we can just mix it like a ball and then.
So now the egg. And the other egg.
This.
And salt. And mixy.
Wow.
I'll throw these away.
Wow.
It's so gooey. It kind of looks like slime. Because our batter is too silky and thin, we are adding more flour so that it can become into a dough-like. Now that the dough is a little bit more firm, we are going to add it in a pastry bag. Now we are going to make the churros. There's oil. We are putting these in oil, making a little design with it. And then afterwards, cutting it. Looks good so far. After it is golden brown or golden brownish, flip it over. After both sides are golden brown, you take them out. They look so good. They look awesome. And they look delicious, crunchy, and ready to go in my tummy. Time for the taste test. My favorite part. My favorite part. It's so crunchy. And the inside outside's so soft.
And the inside's so soft.
Yeah.
The outside's crunchy and I could eat these all day, every day. I can't stop eating them. They're so good. It's super crunchy. You guys should try this. I can't stop eating them. They're so good. If you have the sugar powder, you can sprinkle some on top. These are great for snacks and breakfast too. These are delicious, scrumptious, delicious,
I can't stop eating.
delicious, yum!
I can't stop eating them.
If you liked our video,
Don't forget to subscribe.
and like, and eat more churros!
Bye.
See you next time!